Okay, first what you want to do is you want to pop your negative battery terminal off. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. You can see here. Pop that up out of the way. Don't just leave it there. Pop it down so it doesn't go back. Following that, you're going to have a 12 millimeter bolt on this coolant reservoir right here. Pull that out. Pull this up and out of the way. Following that, don't mind the loose bolts. So you have an upper idler, lower idler, and then this third one down here, that's a tensioner, 16 millimeter wrench. Pull that counterclockwise so the top of your wrench goes that way towards the firewall. Go ahead and take your belt off. All right, now we got the belt off. We're gonna hop under the car. You're gonna have a shield here, a flash shield. Some of these you're gonna have these little Phillips in here. If they don't come straight out, you can drill them out, or just pop them straight out with the, put your Phillips in there and then pull up on it with this. That helps also. And then you have these normal tabs here, which these just come kind of out like this. So you got this one here. Sorry, hold on. Got one here in the back, one here on the side, this one here, this one here, this one here. Get them all around the front here, and then same on the other side. If you have any more towards the rear, some of these also have other pans out there. Just pull this front one off, front one here, and then I'll show you. Okay, now you got the tray out. Next, you're going to want to undo this AC compressor. This is actually going to be up in there. So you got 3 bolts, one here, one behind that, and then one right here. This one, just draw an imaginary line straight up. So you have these 2 bolts are for the outer shell, but it's behind that. These 2 are easy to get to. The third one, I had to take a wrench to it and I actually had to undo it by hand. And then I pulled it out, and this piece down and around this here, and that's going to give you access to your alternator. So next, what we're going to want to do is move some of this out of the way. We're going to take it. Move some of this out of the way. We're going to take a hook here. Take this plastic cover off. And what I forgot to add is you can do it from the top side. This here has a connector on the AC compressor. You can see it right there. You're going to want to undo that before you drop it. Just don't put any tension on the line. You don't need to. After we got that plastic cover off up there, that's going to be a 12 or a 13 millimeter. Go ahead and take that off. And now you got that taken care of. We're going to take this idler off here. Right there. Well, right there. You're going to do that to take this bolt out. There's going to be a nut. It don't matter when you do it, really, but you're going to have to get to it eventually. But yeah, you can see it right where that washer is. Right there. There's that bolt goes all the way through. So go ahead. That's a 14 millimeter there. This idler. This has to be the dumbest alternator I've ever had to replace. And then up there, I believe that's a 16. Now with that idler out of the way. Oops, come on. Idler out of the way. Take the bolt straight out. And now we're going to hop top side. Bear with me here. And now you're up top. You're going to have a bolt with a ground strap on it. That's going to be right here. That's going to be a 14 millimeter. Go ahead and undo that. And now after you get that, you see here, you can get that bolt out. Go ahead and drop it from the underside. What I did was, like I said, move that AC compressor to the passenger side a little bit more. And then on the back here, you can use a pry bar from the underside also. Some guys are going to say you don't have to take the bottom bolt all the way out. I take it out. It makes it easier to pry out. So yeah, do what you will with that. Then installation is basically the reverse. What I did also there is, so that bottom bolt on the alternator, it's actually like a U shape. So you can put that bolt back through, sorry, this side in with the head on this side. You can put that bolt back through, nut it up, don't tighten it down, and then you can hang it on there. There's, like I said, there's like a channel in there. You can hang it on there, come top side, put this bolt back in, and then, yeah, just start tightening everything down. Make sure you don't over tighten your idlers, putting them back in. I don't know the exact spec, but don't over tighten them. If you do, you're going to have some squealing issues. So yeah, I'll show you an end video, end result. And all right, once you get everything back together, this battery's dead on this car. Check your drive belts, check everything, make sure everything's set. Start her up. There we go. And we're gonna let this one charge a little bit. Double check your alternator output before you close the hood and everything. But yeah, any questions, just let me know. See you guys next video. Bye.